Innovation Village and what students will have the access to here, the collaboration they'll have here, that will drive our ability to continue to thrive as an economic region and make new connections happen.
I have no doubt that this new facility will support research and innovation, and in particular, the healthcare sector through its new XR lab.
Innovation Village will help all students power the Ontario economy, the Canadian economy for decades to come.